Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the TikTok not letting you follow anyone on PC without laptop. Sorry, Windows laptop. So the fix one, refresh TikTok and sign in again. Log out of your TikTok account, then close all browsers window and reopen your browser and visit the TikTok. Then sign back in into your account, try follow a user again and TikTok recommend restarting the app or device and ensure you are using the latest version when troubleshooting account issue. Fix 2. Check whether TikTok has temporarily restricted your account. Think about whether you are followed many accounts within a short period. Stop following new accounts for several hours. Then wait 24 hours if you recently received a following too fast or similar warning. Fix 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. So in Google Chrome you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete and select cookies and other site data. Then select cached images and file. Then click delete data and restart Chrome and sign back into the TikTok. Now for Microsoft Edge users, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select cached files and cookies and click clear now and restart the edges. Fix 4. Try a different browser. If you are using the Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. Log into TikTok on the alternate browser. Attempt to follow the same account. Many users report being unable to follow people in one browser while the feature continues working elsewhere or in the mobile app. Fix 5. Disable VPN and browser extension. Some VPNs and blockers are privacy extension can interfere with the TikTok functionality. So disable any VPN service, turn off browser extension temporarily, refresh TikTok and test the follow button again. Fix 6. Check your internet connection. Open another website to confirm internet access. Then restart your router if necessary. Then switch from Wi-Fi to wired connection if available and refresh TikTok and try again. Fix 7. Test following someone using the mobile app. Install or open TikTok on your phone. Log into the same account and try following a user. Fix 8. Report the problem on TikTok. If none of the above fixes work, log into TikTok, click on profile picture and go to setting. Now select report a problem and describe the issue and submit a screenshot if possible. Goodbye.